In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change campaign conversion goals in Google Ads. Whether you're running campaigns for a small business or managing advertisements for a larger organization, understanding how to tweak conversion goals is crucial for optimizing your advertising performance. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the Google Ads website. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the Google Ads URL in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a few options. What you want to do next is click on the Sign In button to access your account. Make sure you use the correct credentials, as you'll need full access to adjust your campaign settings. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home dashboard. From here, you'll notice a navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on Campaigns. This will open up a list of all the campaigns you're managing. Now take a moment to locate the specific campaign where you wish to change the conversion goals. Often it helps to have your campaign name handy or jot down key metrics to ensure you're working on the correct one. Once you've identified the campaign you want to update, click on the campaign name to open its settings. You'll then find an option labeled Edit. Click on this option. Editing your campaign allows you to make all sorts of adjustments, but since our focus is on updating conversion goals, that's what we'll tackle next. Within the edit mode, search for the section titled Conversion Goals. This section is essential because it defines what actions you consider valuable from your ads. For example, it might be actual purchases, sign-ups, or interactions, depending on your business objectives. You'll want to click on Update Conversion Goals. Carefully review the current goals you have set. If they no longer align with your marketing strategy, this is your chance to make the necessary changes. Consider taking a moment to reflect on recent business strategies or shifts in market priorities that might influence what you deem a conversion. Once you decide on the new goals, update them accordingly. Remember that changes in conversion goals can significantly impact the effectiveness and focus of your ads, so it's important to align them with your broader business objectives. Finally, once you've made your adjustments, be sure to save all changes. It's a simple step, but absolutely crucial for ensuring your new settings take effect. And that's it. You've now successfully updated your conversion goals in Google Ads. Regular revisions like these can vastly improve your campaign's effectiveness and lead to better results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more Google Ads tips and tutorials.